Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get the website option when you do Circle to Search feature on your Samsung Galaxy device. So Circle to Search is Samsung's and Google's smart on-screen search tool. So normally when you use it, it gives you a mix of images, shopping results, and videos. But with the new website filter option, it can basically detect a website and basically it can take you to that website. So let me show you how to use this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Samsung Notes. In my Samsung Notes, I have a note where I've added a link. Now we'll go ahead and turn on Smart Select. So here we'll go ahead and create a circle around this. So as you can see, it has detected that this is a website. So you have a website filter which has opened up. Now, if you want to go ahead and open up that website, you can just go ahead and click on website, and this will take you to the website which the link is to. So as you can see, this is my website which I've created for my Simple Dad channel. So you can go ahead and visit this website as well to look at all my videos. So this way you basically spend less time scrolling through distractions and more time getting exactly what you're looking for. So whether you're researching, fast checking, or looking for articles, so this website filter makes Smart Select much more powerful for your productivity on your Samsung Galaxy device. So there you go guys, that's how to get the website option for your Circle to Search on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.